Hi everyone, my name is Shannon. I'm 26 years old and I currently live in North Carolina, but at the end of February I will be moving to Maryland. A few assets that I would say that I bring to this class in the social work field. The first one would be resilience. As everybody else has, I've been through a lot. I've never allowed any failures to keep me down. I've always gotten back up on my feet fairly quickly and been able to push and move forward. Another one would be confidentiality. So I currently work in government security. My undergrad is in criminal justice. A lot of things I work with, I'm not able to share. So when I become a social worker, it's obviously the same. You can't go telling your clients and patients information to the world. So I've already got experience with keeping things secretive, and I'm obviously going to bring those qualities to the social work field when I enter it. The third would be, I say, dedication. I've always known that I want to help people because that's what fulfills me. That's what fills me up. So I went to school for criminal justice, like I said, and I wanted to be a police officer for the longest time since I was a child. Kind of found out roundabout way that was not for me. And a lot of my family members do suffer from mental health issues. So I always wanted to help them. I just didn't know how. So that's what brought me to the social work field and to Widener University. So I look forward to working with all of you guys, and I wish you luck this semester.